guys, today we continue our fourth lesson, Wonder World of Birds. In our last class we discussed the common characteristics of birds and their feature and etc. Hope you have understood very well. Today we discussed about migration. You know what is migration? Many birds live in places that get very cold in winter, as they do not get their food. They fly away to warmer places in search of food. They return again in spring to lay eggs. This is called migration. Some of the birds fly thousands of kilometers away on migration. Birds that migrate are known as migratory birds. Example, the Eurasian golden oriole come to India in summer from Eurasian countries. Next, the Asian quail lives in Australia and migrates to India in summer. Birds help us in many ways. They help farmers by eating insects, rats, and mice that destroy crops. They clean the environment by eating the flesh of dead animals. Hence, such birds are called scavengers. Example, vulture, eagle. Then, they also help in seed dispersal. Birds make our environment a beautiful place to live. They are beautiful to look at, such as peacock. The sound they make and the songs they sing are pleasant to hear, such as the quail cooing. Birds are reared at homes for different reasons. As pets like the parrots, pigeons, doves. For eggs like the hens, ducks. For flesh like the chicken, turkey. Some birds that are useful to the environment are becoming endangered for reasons like extensive use of pesticides, water pollution, oil spill in the ocean, and illegal hunting, poaching, etc. So, it is our duty to protect them. Bird sanctuaries. Bird sanctuaries are set up by the government to protect and conserve the endangered birds. These are the important bird sanctuaries in India. Not only in India, there are also many bird sanctuaries. Guys, you know this great man? This is Dr. Salim Muhyiddin Abdul Ali, better known as Salim Ali, was born on 12th November 1896 and was an Indian ornithologist. He is also a naturalist. He is referred to as the Birdman of India. He is the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and has written many books on birds. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1958 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1976. He has written innumerable books and articles about birds. To name few of his books, The Book of Indian Birds, The Fall of a Sparrow, Pictorial Guide to the Birds of Indian Subcontinent, Common Birds, etc. He died on the 20th June 1987 at the age of 91.